Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back and Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all will have a healthy, blessed, prosperous, and Happy New Year. So today in this video, I'm going to create a gorgeous, romantic, hexagon-shaped crystal lighted mirror. So I'm going to start with 4 hexagon mirrors that I picked up from Michael's. These mirrors are old. I picked these up maybe 4 years ago. I'm going to use them today in this video. So right now I'm going to get started. So to create this mirror, it's going to be a smaller accent mirror, and I'm just going to build it from the bottom up. So I'm going to start with some cardboard to build the base. I'm going to assemble the mirrors on the board, take a pencil and just trace out the shape. I have a black magic marker and I'm just going to go over my pencil lines so that when I cut it out, I'll be able to get my lines nice and even. So this is what I have. So right now I'm just going to buff down the edge of the board just a little bit. And I'm only going to use one cardboard for this, guys, because this corrugated cardboard is very strong and sturdy. So I'm going to align the mirrors onto the cardboard, and then I'm going to hot glue everything down into place. I'm going to have a little bit of the cardboard hanging over the edge, but I'm going to cut that away once I'm done adhering the mirrors. So now that that's done, I'm just going to cut away any of the extra cardboard that's hanging over the edge. I'm going to use my utility knife to do that. And then I'm going to gently buff down the edges of the cardboard once again. So now that that's done, I'm going to cut out a long 2-row strip of the silver diamond wrap, and I'm going to use this to cover the perimeter of the mirror and just to cover up the cardboard. Right now I'm going to use this adhesive felt, and I'm just going to trace out the shape of the mirror on the back of the felt. I'm going to peel away that white paper and I'm going to adhere everything down so that our mirror will have a nice finish in the back. So right now I'm going to use this adhesive acrylic diamond wrap. So look how nice that looks, guys. Nice, clean finish. The backing looks nice. So here are the new lights. I'm going to be using this today. I'm going to adhere the wire of the light to the felt. I'm just going to use a small bead of glue, and I'm going to adhere it around the perimeter of the mirror. So these are the command strips that I'm going to use to hang the mirror. As you can see, these can hold up to 16 pounds. Our mirror probably only weighs maybe 1.5 pounds. And so I'm going to get ready to adhere that. I'm just showing you that you have to peel off the outer paper just to adhere it to the wall. But first, before I adhere that, guys, I have to take and level this. So I'm going to cut away a piece of cardboard just to make sure that the command strip is sitting at the same level as the battery box of the fairy lights. Look how beautiful our mirror looks. This was really quick and easy, guys, for me, and it came out absolutely gorgeous. And it looks just as beautiful with the lights off. So guys, you let me know what you think, and Happy New Year to you all once again. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. You stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed this new year, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.